Hello, my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with the topic how useful is organic farming for us. Organic farming provides us healthy soil, plant, and 5 F's of agriculture: food and fodder, fiber, fuel, forest, and flower. The biological activity in soil increases as we add organic manure to it. For example, the population of earthworms and other beneficial organisms increases tremendously under organic soils. These kind of organisms increased availability of food to the plants. Such plants gives us healthy food which is free from harmful chemicals. Since organic farming discourages the use of chemicals, pollution of air, soil and water is minimized. The various benefits from organic farming not only improve the lives of the farming community but also help in conserving the precious natural resources and environment. The other benefits of organic farming are as follows. Improvement of soil fertility. Organic farming improves soil fertility. It improves the supply and retention of plant nutrients. This in turn keeps agricultural production at a higher level and makes it sustainable. Reduced water usage and requirement. Soil building methods in organic farming like mulching, use of green manure and crop rotation improve the physical condition of soil, which helps in preventing soil erosion. It also improves the water holding capacity of soil and hence roots can penetrate easily. Also, farmers require less water to grow different crops. Safer working conditions. Farmers and farm workers enjoy safer working environment and direct health benefits with the adoption of organic farming. It is common knowledge that a large number of people working in agriculture sector are affected by a number of diseases because of the use of agrochemicals. Better quality of health. The risk of contamination of food and water is substantially reduced when no pesticides are used. Organic farming reduces human and animal health hazards, which in turn lead to better quality of health. It also helps in keeping environment healthy by reducing the level of pollution. Greater biodiversity. Organic farming provides a safe place for wild plants. Lands around the organic farms have more types of wild plants which provides benefits for wildlife. These plants are important for birds, bees, beetles and butterflies. Ladybirds, a type of beetle, feed on many insects which are harmful for crops. All these species of plants, animals and other living things coexist in harmony. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.